Good afternoon, inmates. I'm fixing this picture mirror frame. Kind of fucked it up already. As soon as I start filming, I fuck it up. That one's better. Can you see, inmates? I'll bring you in after I dance a little bit. A little Bee Gees action. This is some butcher paper. And I pulled this old paper off this mirror frame. It was all water damaged, but it wasn't moldy or anything. I sprayed it down. It's just overspray from the paint. And the mirror's in good shape. The staples are holding. So we're just gonna put on the last layer. Put on the last layer. And I'll put the string back on and we're done. Now you have to go back here. Butcher paper, it's got glue on one side and wax paper on the other side. It's a thin wax paper though. It's not much wax. It's perfect for picture frames. It'll last 100 years. And I just want to cover the ugly. I've been really into the backs of canvases lately. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with me. Am I going crazy? But there's whole YouTube channels on the, restoring the back of a canvas. Some British guy. Here's some Canadian I could appreciate. Man, Bare Naked Lady's so underrated. I gotta learn a Bare Naked Lady song or two. I really like hands-on projects like this. Where's my hole? Uh-oh, where's the hole? There it is. Some asshole used 2 different screws for this back of this canvas. Should I go find 2 the same? Yeah, and I think I should. It's the least we can do. There. I just wanted to tape up this edges. Just has to dry. Let's go find a screw. Or 2. Too long. You'd think the shortest ones would be at the bottom of the pile. Ow. Fuck no. If you guys see a screw, it's small enough, let me know. Could be money. No, it's too long. It's too long. Fuck it, we'll just put the same ones back in. No fucks given. It's the next guy's problem. That's that side. One more side. Different screwdriver. Got it. Boom. Just tie this through here. Have a little look. Looks pretty good.